Hello my people, now know as we dey run am for this channel, I been at this page, I been at wetin I wan call am. So I don't come back again with another epic way of cooking ogbolor soup. My pikin say you want to eat ogbolor soup. I say okay, no problem. I'm going to cook it in another dimension. So make I show now how we take the runner back in the days in the Libya way. So these are my ingredients. I'm going to use this dried fish when scatter. I don't know what they say for Europe with the manager like that. I'm a albino crayfish, and here is the cocoa. I'm going to be using groundnut oil and tin tomatoes. Yes, so tin tomato is the main thing for this food we want use. So now the cocoa be that. When they watch the way they do them. I know say people will say, what tin tomatoes? You don't know how to cook. Your mama did not teach you well. Yes, my mama did not teach me this one. I learned it in the road of Libya. So that's why I take blend my ogbolor finish, and what will they do now? Now to fry our tin tomatoes first, to cook our soup. So I'm gonna first of all fry my tin tomatoes. That is the main thing. You have to fry it. You have to fry it till it's dry. Make it dry. All those slap, bite, chap, they'll come out for inside the food. So as you see, I'm so. And they fry them, they go, and the thing they look like say you know they dry, but never dry. Now so the thing don't dry like this. So what are we going to do next? We pour our ogbolor inside. Yes, so I blend that like this because of say my ogbolor, my blender don't spoil. So I use water to blend that because last night inside the data I don't order, but it never came. So what will I do? I have to cook ogbolor now. I love you wait. So as you see, I pour my okra inside. So I they try to like mix and I see say the color don't they come outside a bit. Now they say and the color don't they come outside. At the end of the day, now make it red. What I tell like this one be saying, the taste they different. When you eat this, when you chop this soup, when you eat them, the taste they different. Like you have never seen a thing like this before. You will say it to your mind like, oh my gosh, I have never seen a thing like this before. So I add water to the make her light the way I want time because my children know they like thick ogbolor. So you have to be like light. I know they cook go sell, and they cook to chop. So as you see, I'm adding my pepper, dashing in everything, just the turn am. That is the main point. The turn am so that it go dey light, so that everything will mix inside. Based on say I no pour inside water now get. So I add my salt, my seasoning, the taste am small. My the way salt they dey for inside ogbolor. So before you going to go and spoil it now, they say this girl no sabi cook. Yes, this salt not too much. So if they put they turn am, even the pepper self when I put self, it still stick for the spoon. You never see come out. But anyway, I pour my fish inside. So as you can see, the soup is looking so beautiful and it's ready. As you can see now, it's ready. What I need to do is just to go and make my puree. And my puree, I've made it already. See soup now. See soup. Look at my puree. Look at the puree. This soup go well. Not be say because say I did talk. I'm not gonna try them. Like, not too much of blah, 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 this, blah, so we never seen this kind of food before. Blah, blah, blah. Go and test it. So that if you don't get oil here, you go feed run and not be saying you don't get oil, you can't say you cannot do anything. Okay? So now so with the day, now so I never see me the chop, whether they go they sell the food they give people, and I don't know. See me and my family with the chopper, my children they enjoy that. Oh boy, see that meat. That part I like and way. Ew. So I want to make una hear what my son talk for here. Make I keep quiet. I want to leave you.
I don't want anymore. I don't want